Move here. Here.
No, stop moving. I just want you to follow.
How you feeling, buddy?
I'm so sorry. I was trying to talk to you.
Take position.
I didn't
How you
mean
feeling,
to.
buddy?
I did. I swear to God. I swear to God. I didn't.
Never mind, boy.
Oh my God. It was an accident. It was an accident. I swear.
Moving out.
I swear to God, it was an accident. Oh my God. Where is he? Follow me. How do I like make him follow me forever? Do I just take him to the settlement? I was trying to.
Over there.
I was just trying to press the button. I swear. Hold R. Why are you whimpering? How do I cancel this?
Look alive.
Yes, no, he wants to follow. See? Come on, dog. Yeah, see? Tough love. It's all about the tough love. I swear it was an accident. I was trying. Why was it? Why was it wasn't on the head? Whoops. Can I like beat his head off? Oh, what's the point? Oh my God! Get him! Dog meat! What the fuck? Stop! Stop! Guys, it's not what it looks like! I swear to God! Guys, it was an accident! I swear to God! You guys, I swear to God it was an accident! I swear to God! I know like it happened twice, but I swear I did not mean to do it! I know, fool me once, shame on you! But I swear to God!